Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, we are going to be assembling a 5-tier stand just in time for fall, especially for those of you or those of us that have limited space for hosting, such as football game watch day, the Friendsgiving, Thanksgiving, Christmas, so many different hosting. I call this celebration season. So many different opportunities to host will be on the rise, and I don't want you to feel as though you are not able to be the hostess to the mostest, and we're not going to let a small space cramp your style this year. And so I am going to show you guys how to assemble this 5-tier stand. And be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video because I want to share some more important information with you as well. And if you've been following my fall home decor content, we have decorated the front porch, the side porch. We have done a fall tablescape. I also did a mini vignette in my dining room area on the accent chest there, and I just mixed and matched some of the pumpkins and things and plates that I had for the fall. And I also created some small charcuterie bowls using, believe it or not, Lunchables. To me, Lunchables are nothing more than, the kid version of a charcuterie board. And so I added in some grapes and cranberries and a few other things and created a beautiful display just in time for fall. Now, speaking of display, the next thing that we're going to do is perfect for small space entertaining, for Friendsgiving and Thanksgiving and game day and so much more. And that is this 5-tier stand that I found at eFavorMart. So it is super easy to put together, you guys. You just follow the instructions along. I have done kind of a speeded up version of how to put it together. Just remember to put the spacers in place first. I forgot to do that, and if you will see, I would have to go back and redo the entire thing again and put the spacers in place. But it was not a problem. It was super easy to do. And I did not have a problem, getting everything in place once I got those spacers done. It only took a matter of minutes and it turned out absolutely amazing. Now, this stand is perfect for creating a 5-tier charcuterie board. You can put a centerpiece on the top. I know you can't see it right now, but you will see the entire centerpiece. It looks very similar to the one that's on my kitchen table. And if you have not seen my fall tablescape, I'm going to link that video right here, and you will need to go back and look at it so you can see the whole feel and vibe of the space. But getting back to the 5-tier piece, we were going to have guests in our home over the weekends, and so I thought that this would be perfect for game day entertaining, and so I wanted to just kind of add in some pumpkins. I also thought this would be great for Christmas time because I could do like a Christmas village. I could do gifts. I could just do so many different things to display on there as well. Now, the pretzels that I just shared with you all, those are actually some risers, some buffet risers that I turned upside down, and I was able to use those as kind of baskets, and then I added in the pumpkin. So you'll see me decorate this as we go along. I will list every single thing that I used to design this down in the description box, and I will tag some of the products on here on YouTube as well. And I hope you guys consider this. Again, it is great if you have like a small space, or if you're in an apartment, or you're very limited, you don't have the place for a Christmas tree, or you don't have the place for a buffet or somewhere to put snacks. This can also be used outdoors. You would have to take it in and out every single day, but you could use this outdoors as well to greet your, do something cute for your mail deliverers and delivery people. I think it would be really cute for that as well. I kept myself at a $20 budget for snacks. So I just went to the Dollar Tree and I purchased moon pies and oatmeal pies and pretzels and everything that was in that gold and white color family to really give it that luxe for less look. So I'm going to speed it up from here. You guys kind of get the gist of everything that I have going on in terms of how I'm decorating and balancing it. And again, I will leave all of the items that I'll be using down in the description box below. Now, these pumpkins came from Dillard's many years ago, and I think they are by Godinger. I'll see if I can find them, but they may be discontinued. So again, everything that I use, I'll see if I can find it and link it down below. And you guys let me know, outside of autumn, fall, Friendsgiving, Thanksgiving, game day, what else could I use this 5-tier tray for? It is perfect to move all around your home. So I would love for you to leave me some ideas down below on what I can use these tier trays for. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that you're interested in this content, and I have so much more amazing content coming to you guys. And thank you so much for being patient with me. Again, don't forget to let me know down below what other places you can use this 5-tier stand. So I've already set it up for fall hosting, so that can cover, I can just change out a few things. It will cover football season, Friendsgiving, Thanksgiving. You could also use it at a children's birthday party for a favor table. And I have a special thing that I want to do with it for Christmas. I have been eyeing those 5-tier stands that they were using to do the Christmas kind of like villages on. And when I looked it up, honey, it was like $400, $500, $600. Definitely out of my budget. But when I found this one for $99, I knew that it was a must-have for me. And not only is it $99, if you use my code LL4L, you would get an additional percentage off. So definitely take advantage of that as well. And don't forget to let me know down in the comments below, what other uses would you have for it? And would you rather see me do a Christmas village on it for the Christmas season, or some other type of Christmas display? Let me know down in the comments below. I'll be sure to be reading them and responding back to you guys as well as I always do. So thank you so much again for tuning in. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!